And we are very much proud that she is very important and what you call as the active member of Innerville Club of Mapsaili. And we are organizing the blood donation camp. सगळ्यांक खबर आसा, blood is very important and it is always said, donate blood, save life. आणि ह्या ह्याच्याप्रमाणे आज आम्ही ब्लड डोनेशन कॅम्प आम्ही आज हांगा घेतलेलो आसा. Actually, blood donation camp was decided long back, couple of months back, in presence of Mr. Milton Marquis, and after his sad demise, I think we were holding that and we stuck up with the decision whether should we continue. But somehow, after the discussion with the Rotary Club चे जे पदाधिकारी आसा आमचे, President Priya Parab and full team, along with the Vella Kanka Panchayatiche all members, all or what you say, the daughter of Mr. Milton Marquis, Nicole, she took the initiative and what she said, what are the remaining things and what we have earlier planned, we will be completing very soon, and with the support of all these members, along with the Innerville Club of Mapsaili, we are going ahead for organizing this blood donation camp. Looking at the scenario, everybody knows that after Corona, what is the problem with the people, and they are having the shortage of the blood in the blood bank also. Every time we are getting the alarm and the messages, and thinking on that, immediately we took this first step for organizing this mega blood donation.
आता दोतोरान आमकां सांगलेलें आसा की ब्लड कशें इम्पॉर्टंट आसता. एखाद्याचो जीव वाचता, एक थेंब आमी ब्लड दिले जाल्यार त्या थेंबान एखाद्याचो जीव वाचता, एखाद्याक पुनर्जीवन मेळटा. आणि हे पुनर्जीवन दुसऱ्याक दिवपाचे काम आमी आज करता. हे सगळे हांगासर जे डोनर, तुम्ही सगळे डोनर हांगासर आसात, खूप बरें दिसले सगळे पळोवन, कारण डोनर ना जाल्यार ब्लड बँक आणि कितें घेवन ताचो काय फायदो जावंक शकना. जेन्ना स्वखुशीन जेन्ना डोनर येता, आपले 2 थेंब ब्लड घे, जाय तितके ब्लड घे, सगळ्यात पहिले डोनेट करपी हांगासर, सॉरी म्हाका तिचे नाव खबर ना, पण ते ग्रस्त म्हणून गेले, ब्लड तुमकां जाय तितले घ्या, कांयच भिवपाची गरज ना. असे सदळ हस्ते म्हणतात तसे स्वखुशीन भितूतल्यान जेन्ना काळजांतल्यान उलो येता आणि जेन्ना आमी अशी मदत करता, हे एक व्हडले सामाजिक कार्य आसा. आणि म्हजो क्लब इनरव्हील क्लब ऑफ म्हापसा आलीट हो सदैव अशी सामाजिक कार्याची चळवळ आम्ही सुरू केल्या. आणि ज्या ज्या कामांतल्यान समाजाक मदत घडटा किंवा आम्ही समाजाच्या मदतीक पावता अशी कार्य आम्ही हातान घेवपाचो प्रयत्न करता सदोदीत. आणि त्याच उद्देशान आणि मिल्टन सराची एक याद म्हणून, कारण त्यांच्या मुखातल्यान पहिले उच्चार आले की अशा प्रकारचे अजूनही बी एक कॅन्सर डिटेक्शन कॅम्प घेऊया, अशें सुद्धा सरान आमकां तेन्ना सजेस्ट केल्ले. पण ते नंतर घेऊया सर पुढे पुढे आणि असं असे म्हणत आम्ही एक एक थोडे दीस पुढे गेले आणि मागीर सरूच ना जाले ताका लागून ते थोडे दीस आमचे गेले. तर आज ह्या घडी सरांची याद केल्याशिवाय आम्ही पुढे वचूच शकना. त्यांचे कार्य त्यांचे आता चली हांगासर आसा निकोल मार्कीस आसा तेणे आमकां सगळ्यान परी सपोर्ट केलो. आणि तुम्ही सगळे वेर्ला काणका पंचायतीचे सगळे मेंबर सदस्य डेप्युटी बी सगळे तुम्ही सगळ्यांनी सपोर्ट केलो म्हणून हांगा ह्या पंचायतीन हो आम्ही मेडिकल कॅम्प आज घेवंक शकता. आणि जशें म्हटल्याप्रमाणे डोनर ना जाल्यार ब्लड मेळू शकना. तर तुम्ही सगळे जे डोनर आसात तुमच्या सगळ्यांच्या मनाक आजातल्यान उपकार म्हणटा आणि आमकां हो ब्लड डोनेशन कॅम्प यशस्वी करपाक मदत केल्या बद्दल सगळ्यांचे मनापासून आभार मानता. तुमच्या सगळ्यांक देव बरें करूं.
Hemoglobin, if the hemoglobin is about 12.5, then we check the vitals. If the vitals are fine, the donor is cleared for blood donation and we extract 350 ml of blood, which is a very small quantity and is easily replenished within 24 to 48 hours. This small quantity is greatly beneficial to the patient. It is a matter of life and death. For what a donor replenishes within one day, three patients benefit greatly, because from one unit we prepare of whole blood, we prepare packed cells, we prepare platelets and we prepare plasma. So 3 patients benefit. So all the patients from cancer chemotherapy to children with thalassemia to accident cases to patients with anemia, these are the range of patients that need your help every day. And I'm very grateful to the Inner Wheel Club of MAPSA Elite in association with Verla Kanka Village Panchayat, who have helped our GMC Blood Bank to get such a good response of donors today and very well organized camp. Thank you so much.
The thought and initiative taken by Inner Wheel Elite Club of MAPSA. I am also proud to be a Rotarian of Rotary Club of MAPSA, and I have the privilege of having a company where I have 1,300 odd staff. So it's possible for me to do, and I do this very often. I've done must be about 50 camps for Rotary, and I also thank you for giving me an opportunity to be here and be of some help to the public service, and as it is the need of the hour for the pandemic time. I also thank the Panchayat of Verla Kanka for having me here, and I remember my close and very close friend, like a brother, who would be very proud and be here at this moment, Milton Marcus. He was a pioneer. He was a organization father of Verla Kanka. Like anything, he was there. But anyway, we're proud to have Nicole and Vanessa here today, and all the Punch members. And I thank all the staff and all the donors who have come here, have donated the blood and made this camp a success. I thank you very much again, and have a lovely day.